The Ethiopian Airline CEO has said that the United States order temporarily halting migration from 7 Muslim-majority countries is not having much of an impact overall on its operations. Even though Tewolde Gebremariam admitted that the orders had created a ton of confusion, he also did tell Reuters that the airline's revenue did go up 10.3% to about $2.43 billion in the 2015-2016 fiscal year. Passenger numbers were up 18% to 7.6 million. The state carrier is sub-Saharan Africa's biggest by revenue. It has been rapidly expanding with regular large plane orders in its bid to become a global player through its increasingly crowded hub of Addis Ababa.